Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The dimension is 200 by 150, thickness is 21 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. So I am selecting MMGS units, select extruded bars, select the front plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 200, this is 150 mm. Next there is a fillets, that is R28, and there is a slats 16 diameter, length is 75 mm. Select fillet first 28, select the corners, okay, select 2-point slot, give the dimensions, the diameter is 8, R8, diameter 16, this is 75 mm, and we can give the center distance also 75 by 2. This distance is 40 mm. This dimension we need to give 0, or we can give the horizontal alignment here. Select this slot, select mirror entities. First we need to create one center line here, select the slot, mirror entities, mirror about center axis, okay. Finish sketch, extrude up to 21 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch. There is a one circular part, that diameter is 85 and height is 80 mm. Give the vertical alignment, finish sketch. The length is 100 mm. Here there is a 10.5 mm offset. Select extrude, reverse the direction, give the dimension here 100 mm. Here we need to give offset 10.5, reverse the offset, okay. Next select the right plane, sketch, give the dimensions. This thickness is 20 mm. This is 20. You can see this line is not straight. Give the horizontal constraint first. Now give the dimension. We need to remove this constraint. Just give the dimension now. Give the constraint first. Now give the dimension 20 mm. Here to here 50. This dimension is not required. I will give the dimension. mm. This height we can give here to here 42.5. There is a pillets 20 and 40. This is 40 mm and one more is 20. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here select mid plane 60 mm. There is a pillets. The pillet dimension is not here. We can give approximately. Next select this surface, sketch, create one circle. That diameter is 55 mm. And create one corner rectangle here. Give the dimensions 5 mm. Here to here 2.5. Drag this line up to here. That's it. Now you can trim this. This is not required. select extruded cut, here select through all, okay. Next select this surface, sketch. First select here convert entities, select these slots, now create the slots, both side, give the equal constraint first, now give the dimensions, the diameter is R18, that's it. Finish sketch, extrude, select this one, this face, the length we want 30 mm. That's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also we can assign the material now. So now I will assign. You can see here there are all the standard materials. I will assign 6061 T6. This is the standard material. You can see the properties of the material here. Apply, close. Go to edit appearances, can assign some color, different color here. Apply, and also you can change the inside circle color. Here select this circle, first change it into faces, select the faces. Okay, need to change that color. Faces, remove this, first change the color here, select the faces, apply. Add this also, apply. So that's this today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. You can press the Ctrl 7 for ISO view. So thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.